Hey MB family, Stephen Orfis here, VP of Sales, New Beginnings Window and Door. We're out here on a snowy day here on a Wednesday. We just wanted to let you know we released our address last night to our new showroom, 62 McKinley Street in Wappingers. So we're staying in the village, so we're super excited. I'm here with my camera guy Dave. Dave, come in and say hi.
Hello.
We're 5 days to go to our new showroom. So we're just packing everything up. We're getting ready to move. We're going to be sending out an announcement later on today, right, Dave?
Yep. Beautiful graphic.
Beautiful graphic coming out. Come in anytime on Monday, March 14th, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we're going to have coffee, donuts, just a nice setup. If you come in, we'll give you an MB cup, bag. We got a whole bunch of gear.
We got a lot of free swag for everyone. A lot of good giveaways for everyone. So we are excited to see everybody at the new showroom. We hope you come check out all the hard work you've been putting in there. We're excited to show it everyone.
Yeah, it's been quite a few months, but we're super excited. It's taken a lot to get to this point, but we love growing as a family here. We're excited for our future starting on Monday, so we'll be moving in all weekend and just enjoying the last few days at 2325 Route 9D. That's been home to us, but the 62 McKinley will be our, I believe, 4th location. In company history. So we're excited to double our size. Can't wait for you guys to see it. They're doing the finishing touches right now. We'll have offices, we'll have built-in live displays, so you can see all of our product lines and info about our manufacturers. And you'll see a lot of smiles on Monday. So make sure you guys come check us out. We're excited to see you. And we hope you have a great rest of the week and good weekend. And don't forget to begin
each day with a beautiful view.
Thank you.
Let's go inside. It's snowing outside.